The HUMHOLD low-profile ceiling fan boasts a sleek and contemporary design that complements any interior decor. Its low-profile construction makes it an ideal choice for rooms with lower ceilings, allowing it to seamlessly blend in while providing optimal airflow and illumination. The fan's unobtrusive presence ensures that it doesn't overwhelm the room visually, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even small offices. Smart control options. What sets the HUMHOLD ceiling fan apart is its smart control options, making it a futuristic addition to your home. This ceiling fan can be operated through a convenient remote control or an intuitive smartphone app. With the app installed on your mobile device, you can easily adjust the fan speed, dim or brighten the LED lights, set timers, and even reverse the fan's direction to improve air circulation during different seasons. Efficient lighting. The integrated 3-dimmable light system in the HUMHOLD ceiling fan offers versatile illumination options to suit your preferences and needs. Whether you want to create a cozy ambience or require bright lighting for specific tasks, the adjustable LED lights can cater to your requirements effortlessly. 6-speed reversible blades. The HUMHOLD ceiling fan comes equipped with 6-speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow to your liking. During hotter months, you can use the higher speeds to create a cool and comfortable environment, while in colder seasons, the reverse function helps circulate warm air trapped near the ceiling, promoting energy efficiency and reducing heating costs. Enclosed design for safety. The smart enclosed design of the HUMHOLD ceiling fan ensures safety for you and your family, especially if you have children or pets. The blades are protected by a sturdy enclosure, preventing any accidental contact while the fan is in operation. This feature not only enhances safety, but also simplifies maintenance by reducing dust accumulation on the blades. Easy installation. Installing the HUMHOLD ceiling fan is a breeze, thanks to its flush mount design and clear instructions provided with the product. Whether you're a DE enthusiast or a first-time user, you'll appreciate the straightforward installation process, saving you time and effort. Conclusion. The HUMHOLD low-profile ceiling fan with 3-dimmable light is an impressive and innovative addition to any modern home. Combining stylish aesthetics, advanced technology, and convenient smart control options, this ceiling fan redefines the way you experience comfort and lighting in your living spaces. Whether you want to enhance the airflow in your bedroom or improve the ambience in your living room, the HUMHOLD ceiling fan is a reliable, efficient, and stylish solution that won't disappoint. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.